Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick mail call. I got this box of parts in here the other day from Dan, and it says he sent me a letter. Hey Chris, some Predator parts I had laying around from when I swapped the motor on my in-laws wood chipper. Love you, man, Dan. Oh man, I cannot believe that. Yeah, Dan's got a Kain Kustom garage channel. He's got a lot of chainsaw videos, and he's got some street rod videos and stuff on there. And I cannot believe the kindness this guy has shown. Oh yeah, this is one of those good air cleaners. It's a Ducar style air cleaner. We'll definitely use that on something. I've got some those LCT engines, you know, they come with no air cleaner on them, so definitely use that. Oh boy, a coil. Yeah, I think I got a use for this now. I'm not sure if that uh, new engine we just checked out, the Anvil, has got a rev limiting coil or not, so this one's probably going on. Oh, he sent me a cylinder head. A complete non-Hemi type cylinder head. Wow. Definitely got a use for this. Yeah. Oh man, I can't believe you, Dan. You're just too kind, brother. And, you know, I kind of felt bad. This came in the other day, and I've been able to get out here and make a video, but we've been getting a lot of rain here the last couple of days. But I kind of felt bad because it arrived on his birthday. So it was Dan's birthday, and yet here I was opening up his presents. Uh-oh, this this has got a little use on it there. We'll do something with that, though. But yeah, it was his birthday, and here I was opening up gifts. But, man, I appreciate you. I really do. Oh, yeah. This is one of those little Huyai carburetors. Okay. That'll get some use. We'll put that on the little 179cc engines for sure. And a pull start cover. This is great. Man, you can never have enough of these laying around. All right. I can't believe. Oh, we've got a throttle lever. This is great. Those LCT's engines don't come with one. This is definitely going to get used. Oh yeah. And he has sent me a complete bag of bolts, springs. It looks like every bolt out of the engine except the head bolts. Look at this. And a carb spacer. So we got a carb and a spacer. Everything. Oh. Oh man. Brand new spark plug wrench. Dude, I can't. You too much. Too much. Head bolts, yes sir, and push rods. Hey, you guys remember we had that LCT engine had those corroded head bolts? Here we go. Oh, these are the good push rods too. Definitely. Man, I can't believe this. This is just warm. It warms my heart. And look at this. A kill switch. I needed one of these desperately. That 224 Predator we built, it kicked back and it destroyed the kill switch on the starter housing there. So I definitely needed that. Oh, wow. Yeah, Dan's got a lot of chainsaw videos and stuff, and I watch his videos. I love his channel. Look at this. All right. Choke lever, oil filler plugs. Man, all this stuff. This is good stuff. I will use every piece of this. That box just felt like it was like a never-ending gift box there. I just kept pulling more and more stuff out of it. But yeah, you guys check out Kain Kustom Garage. Dan does a lot of work. He rebuilds a lot of those Tillotson carburetors too. Great guy. And happy birthday again, Dan. Thanks so much. That's all I got for today, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll see you next time.